lads, so today I'm doing a quick video on the first mods I did to my Fiesta SD. Sorry about the wind, just realised it's a bit windy up here. But yeah, let's get to it. Please, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, it's just because I've been busy with my A-levels. But we'll get straight into this. So a lot of this is just a crossover for my EcoBoost. But my first mod's my ST. First I have the Team Dynamic Pro Race wheels, 1.2. As you can see, they look mad. They are a bit dirty. Went to Fashion at the weekend. It was fucking mint. There won't be a video from that though because I had too much fun to record, to be honest. I completely forgot about it. So yeah, Team Dynamic wheels first. Then I did the mud flaps at the same time. These just make the car look bad boy from the rear, as I said in my mod video. So yeah, they were wheels quite expensive. The mud flaps are reasonably priced. So yeah, I've got my all mods sticker. It's oil slick. Yeah, you can just about see it in the camera. Maybe, I'm not sure. I can see it. There you go. It's oil slick. So yeah, I've also got my acrylic number plates to go on. The 4D plates from Plate Works, but can't afford to do that yet because I'm broke. After the wheels, did the exhaust. Did a video on that on its own. It's pretty filth, but yeah, it sounds mint. That was fairly cheap to be fair. I think I paid £200 for it. It's a 3-inch system, but it's on standard cat, so I had to get it modified. But yeah, it's pretty mint, not gonna lie. I'll just start up and insert it right now, so you know, you can hear what it sounds like. If you didn't hear the last video, if you want to see the install, just click below. And yeah, that sounds mint. I also did the wind deflectors. They're for my EcoBoost. My mate actually found this when I broke it, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, wind deflectors just make the car look a bit more aggressive from the front. I also did the wing mirrors, as you can see, black mirrors, and I also put my folding mirror on it for my EcoBoost because they weren't quite working. And the SD3 has folding mirrors, and I knew that I had a cheap mirror on it basically, and now as you can see, they work, which is sick. We all like working mirrors. Also got the TRC eyebrows put on. They make the car just look really aggressive from the front end. A lot of people do these to their Fiesta. Yeah, they just make it look mint. So that's pretty much it, to be fair. I've also got my stubby aerial from the old car. That went on too. So as you can see, I haven't done a lot. I think I've done like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mods in total. And yeah, the car's mount tune. It's got the mount tune airbox. I won't show you that. The interior, SD3 life. Go to the interior, it's a bit filthy. I've got the mount tune floor mat. They're a bit dirty because there's gravel every day. I've obviously got my gear knob beanie on there and my dash cam. I guess you can count that as a mod. And I've also got my steering wheel to go on as well for my old car. The thing is, that's blue. I don't really think it's the mod, but a lot of people do. First thing I always use my car is put LED lights in. Let's sit inside. I don't know, I'm going to go back outside now. So yeah, so you get the LED lights. I've got red there, red footwell, you can't really see. You can see that one, red footwell. Red footwell, there's also a red glove box light there. And red lights underneath there in the SD3. So yeah, as you can see, I haven't really done that much to the car yet. I plan to do a lot more, but it's just the money at the moment with my exams. I think the next thing is going to be splitter kit and lowering springs. I really want to get those done because cosmetically they look good, and the lowering springs will help handling it as well a lot. My mate's just got a Polo GTI. Matt, I'll put his Instagram down here. I think it's Matt Kimpton 10 or something. Good lad, his car's mint. I'll definitely be doing a video on that because it is a serious bit of kit, 1.4 turbo supercharged. So yeah, you'll be seeing that on the channel. Yeah, that's the first mod I did to the Fiesta. Alright then lads, I think I'm going to finish this video with a quick like time lapse of just me washing the car. If any of you, hang on, change the camera angle. Cool. If any of you want to see that, you can just hang around, but this won't be the 5 things, it's just going to be a quick wash. I'll show you some of the products I used as well, just because my car looks mint. Right then lads, so first we're going to hit the iron out by Auto Finesse. Haven't got into the new Detailer's Juice one yet, so could definitely use that. But yeah, so I'm just spray this on. Ferrari dressing on the tyres, just to smarten them up, and then some sapphire polish. Well then lads, I hope you enjoyed that little car wash bit. Here's the finished results. Here's my car. You can see all the mods on it. Looks mint. It was a bit filthy when I was showing you earlier, so I'll go around and show you now quickly. As you can see, paintwork is mint. I have like fully I fully DA'd the car, machine polished it. So there's like not really any swirl marks in the paintwork. Just a couple of wash marks from the previous owner. The sun's sort of gone in now, so you can't really see. But like for molten orange, that's about as clear a reflection as you're gonna get. I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave me a subscribe, and follow on Instagram at CWB_TV. Make sure you leave us a follow down there, because that really helps us out. And yeah, make sure you leave a subscribe and like on the video, because the channel's doing quite well now. We're nearly at 400 subs. Really want to smash that this week with this upload. Well, I think we're 19 followers away from 400. So if we can do that, I'd love that, just to get to 400, then 500, then 1,000. If we can get to 1,000 followers, that'd be mad. So that's my aim. And I hope you're all enjoying the videos as well. So yeah, stay tuned for some more Polo GTI, Fiesta content. There'll be car meet content as well. Now we're coming to that time of year. All sorts of driving videos, car shows. So stay tuned, we'll have it all. Thanks for watching.